Today we are going to make a very unique Dutch cookies that is crispy, caramelly and is just out of the world. We are going to make a Stroopwafel, also known as waffle cookies, that consist of two thin layers of baked dough with a filling in between. Hi guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and start your own successful business. Here we are going to use caramel as filling, but you can stuff these cookies with ice cream, chocolate or any berry flavor you crave. Let's start the recipe by making the dough for the cookie. First, we'll sieve all the dry ingredients that are all-purpose flour, cinnamon powder, sugar and instant yeast. Next, we'll add milk and egg to it and knead. Then, we'll add melted butter and knead again. We'll let the dough rest for about 1 hour. As the dough is resting, we'll make the filling for the cookie, that is caramel. For this, on a saucepan, we'll heat sugar until we get an amber color. Then, we'll add warm cream to it while stirring it. Lastly, we'll add some butter and in the end some salt. Pour it in a piping bag and keep it aside for further use. Before we get back to the recipe, let me tell you about our upcoming online 4-day Christmas baking workshop. This is one of the most awaited online courses in which we are going to teach you 4 amazing Christmas special eggless recipes. And I can assure you both your families and customers will love you for them. So simply click on the registration link available in the description area below and enroll for the course today. Now, let's start with making the cookie. We'll divide the cookie into 20 balls weighing 20 grams each. Heat the waffle cone maker to medium-high heat. Now we'll put a ball of dough inside the waffle cone maker and press until it's pretty thin. Now we'll let it cook for about 20 to 25 seconds while still pressing it or until it's golden brown in color. Remove it from the waffle cone maker and while it's still warm, using a 7 cm round cutter, we'll cut it. If you cut it after it's cold, the cookie might break. Now let's start with the assembly of the cookies. We'll take one cookie and pipe some caramel on top and put another cookie on top and press lightly. If you find caramel leaking out from the sides, simply scrape it with a spoon or spatula. We'll do the same with other cookies as well. Here you go, Dutch Stroopwafels are ready. I hope you guys like this recipe. And do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new recipe.